Have you ever been struggling to get your hands on the most used Amapiano plugins and you haven't found them yet? Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my go-to free plugins for creating Amapiano beats. Let's dive in. So to keep things practical, I'm going to create a short, simple Amapiano beat using these three plugins. I've already laid down some percussion, so we can jump straight into the video and incorporate these three plugins into our beat. The first plugin that we'll be using is Labs. Labs is a huge plugin with a massive library of sound packs. Some of the sound packs are paid, but the one that we'll be using today is free. It's called Vintage Keys. Now, for those of you who've been struggling to get Launch Lizard, Vintage Keys will solve your problems. Let me lay down some chords and let's hear how it sounds. So I'm gonna quantize the chords a bit, just a bit, not too much. As you guys can hear, the plugin has, or the preset rather, has a lot of low end. So we can eliminate that low end a bit or suppress that low end by using a parametric EQ. As you guys can hear, it has a smooth, warm sound for that perfect Amapiano beat. Next plugin we have Vital. Vital is an incredible synthesizer plugin that allows you to create your own sound. You can also import some sound banks to expand on the catalog that you already have. I've imported a few sound banks that we'll be using in today's video. So let's lay down some melodies and hear how it sounds. So here you get your banks. There are some that come with the plugin, then there are some that are imported. So we can use this sound to support our existing chords. Just to demonstrate, I'm gonna copy the sound. It has a lot of sounds. Can even add more banks if you want to. Let's duplicate this. Let's create more melodies. I'm going to send you guys these sound banks, so don't worry about not having access to them. This plugin also has nice bass sounds. Where can we add the bass? This is nice. We can also get a nice pad that we can replace the road sound that we found inside Labs. So we can clone this and then let's look for a sound. Yeah, as you guys can see, Vital is super flexible. You can create melodies, you can find additional sounds for your chords. Yeah, you can also get bass sounds. So it's a very good plugin. The last plugin we are using is Volt, and I use Volt when I want to add a grand piano or a string in my production. It's perfect for giving your track that extra touch. So let's create a young solo and let's hear how it sounds. So this is the interface of the plugin. It's very beautiful. So if you don't have Nexus, because most of the time I use Nexus for my grand piano, but this is a great free plugin for a grand piano sound. That's it, guys. So we didn't finish the full beat today, but that wasn't the goal of today's video. I hope you found the video very helpful and insightful. I'll link all the plugins in the description below. Let me know in the comment section which plugin you are most excited to try out, and catch me in the next video.